Adrian H. Dragon H. Rebirthing Asana will go in a few minutes on a meditative march, more than 6 hour meditative march for climate change, for Mother Nature, to addressing environmental issues, specifically pollutions and what can we do locally on an individual and national collective basis. What can you do? What can I do? Well, today it's a heat wave, so I'm gonna brace it. I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna meditate upon it, and we'll walk. It's 3:10 Eastern Standard Time PM, so in about 15 minutes we'll leave for a 6 hour meditative march. Of course, which will benefit also me, but is dedicated to Mother Nature, to climate change, to pollution, combating pollution and environmental, basically attaining harmony between civilizational development and nature. Be loved all, be loved, be more loved. Mother Nature.